Thank you for using PhiConnect solutions for your e-commerce website. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your advanced settings. Go ahead and click Advanced and go under Advanced Settings. Here, this is where you're going to put all your company information. So go ahead and put your company name, your company firm, and your company's address, and your company email and your company phone number. Once you're done with that, go ahead and click Submit. And we'll go down the line here, and here's your tax rate. Here in California, our tax rate's 8.25. We do have different tax rates throughout California, so if you want to set that as well, you can go ahead and have two different types of tax rates. But here for this tax rate, 8.25, we're only going to charge to the Los Angeles County members. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and click type in Los Angeles County, and then I'm going to go ahead and search. And all these zip codes here are for Los Angeles County, and I'm going to go ahead and click Fill Out. And any zip code that is in here will be charged 8.25%. Anyone else in California that is not in the Los Angeles County will be charged 7.25%. But if you just want to have the same tax rate throughout your whole state, just go ahead and put the same tax rate and go ahead and just click Submit. Next thing I'm going to show you is the payment settings. Here you have different types of payments that you can take. If you take credit card, if you take PayPal, and if you take money order or wire transfer, or if you do Google checkout, you could use all different things. Here for Authorize.net, if you are familiar with it, you need to get your login ID from them and your transaction key. If you do not have an account with them and you have an account with PayPal, just go ahead and click PayPal. This is for all your credit card transactions right here. It's whoever authorizes your credit cards if you use Authorize.net or PayPal. Right here in the PayPal section, you have your API username, and you could retrieve that from PayPal. And they will give your API password as well. And this is not only for authorizing credit cards, but this also will have to do for importing your items from PayPal. So we need that API and that API signature from PayPal, so you can transfer your PayPal orders from eBay, either from eBay or from your website, whatever you choose. But this will be needed if you want to do eBay sales and from PayPal, so you could automatically just send your orders from PayPal into your sales system here. And right here, this is the standard website payment if you just want people just to pay you from PayPal. But this will be a lot quicker if you do get this, because it'll save you the hassle of just going one by one. You can have all your orders created at once from PayPal. And if you're familiar with Google Checkout, you could use them as well. First, you need to obtain the merchant ID and the merchant key from them. And any payment that you do click here will show up on your website. So if you do not click money order or wire transfer, then that won't give your customers the option of clicking that payment. So whatever you click here, that's the type of payment you will be having on your website. Alright, let's go down the line. And let's go to shipping account settings. And here, this is where you would put in your FedEx account number, your FedEx meter number. This is what you will need to get from FedEx. So you can contact your FedEx representative and try to retrieve the meter number from them. If you're having a hard time, just go ahead and give them a call. But this meter number is needed. So same thing as well as UPS. I'm pretty sure your account number you do have, and your UPS user ID and password, but you will need this access license number, and this is needed from your from your customer service representative from UPS. You can refer to our how-to page. It's going to be right underneath this video in PDF format, so we'll have the different type of ways on how to retrieve those if you're having a hard time doing that. And right here, USPS, you could get your user ID from them and your password, but you have to go through Indicia to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to show you right here. You could log on to Indicia.com and talk to their customer representative and try to set up an account with them. They do charge per package, like a separate fee from USPS, but this is an affiliate of United States Postal Service. So if you don't want to go through that route, it's solely up to you. Go ahead. Once you're done with that, you could go ahead and click submit. And let's go right here to the shipping price setting. Here, this will determine what type of shipping you do take from your website. If you accept ground shipping, ground to Canada, anything you click here will show up on your website. So for instance, if you don't do international economy, then you don't want to click that. But right here will show you the calculated shipping price. So whatever the price is, if you want to make a little bit more money on top of that, you can add like ×2 of whatever FedEx or UPS is going to charge you. So that's solely up to you if you want to use that option, but you need to click your option here, or else it's not going to show up on your website. And if you want to have an extra handling charge, it's up to you as well. But make sure you do click your options here, because if you don't click it, then it will not show up on your website. Go ahead and click submit when you're done. Let's go back to that, and then right here is your SMTP settings. This is for emails. If you're not too familiar with it, don't worry about it. We could help you out more in advance, because this is a type of advanced type of thing. So if you're having trouble with this, go ahead and just give us a call. And that's an overview about the advanced settings.